Come with us to the viral Goat Farm Coffee House in Forney. We started our day with coffee and cake pops and this cutie and a little cinnamon roll. Delicious. It was great. If y'all decide to come, make sure you bring quarters so that you can get the goat feed. They'll give you change at the counter, but if you have it with you, it's so much easier. And here we are. JoJo was hoping the kids feed the goats. If you come in with a food of any sort, which you should probably just leave it outside the gate, have it up high or zipped up in a bag, because these goats will eat it. They go eat it. So, yeah, protect your food at all costs.
Are you recording?
Yes. Once we were done with the goats, we sanitized and we visited their little store on our way out. It had all kinds of creams and lotions made from goat milk. Honestly, heavenly.